Guess what, Skya? Tomorrow we're going to the vet. Oh, but it's a new vet. But you...
He will always be a loser in a conversation about the vet. One of the reasons he hates the vet is the heat from the dryer.
Say ah. Say ah.
She's absolutely the best singer in the vet. Everything will be fine until his legs is scarcely shaking. The vet is maybe one of the most obsessions in his life.
Not today. Hey.
Only saying this loudly can show how he dislikes going to the vet. The embrace was the only thing that could comfort her before going to the vet.
Cash, can you look at me? Are you okay?
He tried to show that he's okay, but it doesn't last for long. This is an example of 1, get examination, but 2, feel hurt. Escapes like this are all too familiar in veterinary clinics.
You okay, Bobo? You scared? Are you shaking? Aw, can you sit for Mama?
Sadly, how scared he is, she still cannot deny going to the vet.
Brought the dogs to the vet. This one.
If he can speak right now, it must be, go home, go home, go home.
Gotta go to the vet, son. You gotta get up. Are you pretending you're dead?
His sleep can last forever if he must go to the vet.
You're dead, so you don't have to go to the vet.
Going to the vet, and he realized he was a statue. The trip to the vet will take 10 times longer if he continues to move backwards like this. He'd rather endure the pain than staying in the vet.
Let's go to the doctor.
After the word doctor was spoken, she and her owner officially became strangers. Instead of crying like other dogs, his vet fear expressed all on his trembling legs. The vet is not too scary, and he's a good example.
No peanut butter safe.
You know what time it is. Time to go to the vet so you can get your checkup. So don't try to pretend to sleep on me now.
His closing eyes is a solid denial. The veterinarian floor must be very clean after he comes.
Where are we?
The fastest way to turn his face expression is mentioning the vet. It's too late for him to realize he is at the vet right now.
Bobo. Are you scared, Bobo?
There is still some vet fans, and one of them is him.
You're about to go to the vet. The vet is 8 o'clock.
It seems seems that his negotiation about the vet with his owner was fail. Persuading her to the vet was never an easy thing. Going to the vet is a ton of war between him and his owner. If he had a wish right now, he must wish to go home. He can't do anything without waiting for the painful that is coming. Looking fine, but he's death inside so much. His weight is now an advantage to avoiding going to the vet.
Nope.
She can't believe what she's hearing from the veterinarian. The magical thing of the vet is turn a big guy into a baby. His little warm love is for everyone but the vet. She's considering whether she should escape from the scary place. They are his exercises to reduce his anxiety with the vet.
Rita's a drama queen. Oh my god! We've got to go see the doctor!
Saying the word vet is an effective way to turn on his panic mode.
I do. Alright, let's go. We'll go see the doctor.
He will always turn left as long as the vet is on the right hand. Hide and seek is her favorite game with the veterinarian.
Aw, she looks so cute from here. Come on, baby.
The way to the vet is never happy for him. Everywhere his owner goes, he will go together, except the vet. The moment he realized that he is in the vet, he felt betrayed. When the door closed, he knew he had no chance to escape. Everyone has to go to the vet. It was as if he's about to go to the battlefield. Share with us your pet's reaction to the vet. Thank you!